The Place Summit brings together so many different pockets of our community from a workforce standpoint, from an industry standpoint, but also people who are just deeply invested in this work.
When we come to events like this, it grounds all of us in the why we have to keep fighting, why we have to not be seeped in the need, but focused on the solution. To be in rooms with people who have done that is something you can't quantify.
For me as a new lender coming in, it was super fantastic to make contacts through ULI. This year, I met a few city planners. I also met other bankers, and it's great to connect them to get knowledge. And then you also just meet people from various backgrounds, so like civil engineering. We've even met students, and I got to learn a lot about what ULI is doing with the students and the community too.
The Place Summit has not only been a source of information and inspiration, but I think it's also a roadmap. The answers are here. They were in every session, in every room, and I think it's up to us as participants to heed those answers and go turn them into action.
We are at a pivotal moment to be implementing these kinds of discussions, and ULI is going to help be an advocate for those kinds of things, not necessarily direct policy change initiatives, but being an advocate and being a voice in the community for those initiatives.
Really, the ideas I think that are generated at this event from year to year, just they linger for what will be years and hopefully decades. It's really exciting to see.